So at this point, I want to exit the PHP tags like that. Let's do this. Okay. I will put this in there. All right, then let's open our PHP tags here again. Wait a minute. Actually, I want us to only show this entire part if this is true, actually. So maybe it would be better to put this whole thing in here. Let's do this. Oh, what have I done? There we go. So raw is equal to that one. So raw is our variable here. So if is array, we'll do this. Actually, let's use some templating here. I think this is where the templating will occur. We will need a title here, so that's why I've reversed that one. Okay, so if this is true, do that. Else, let me see where this ends. Let me remove that. And put it here. Yeah, we need some better templating, that's for sure. So let me see for a second here. Okay, everything seems fine. And let's make a mistake here so that we see whether things work out still. Okay, that's good. So it doesn't show anything if things don't work out. All right, so if this is an array, do that. And then here, since we have raw, we can start adding stuff to it. So first of all, let's add a title. So the slider starts here, but I want to add a title here. So I will say h3. Where is that? 3. There we go. And I will put my PHP tags there. And close them. Okay, so this is a new post, so it shows up there, but maybe that's not where we want it, so I'll cut it and put it maybe, let's try here. That's still much better. We can add a style here. Text align center. Just a simple one. Okay, so this is a new post. So if I go back to home and this is my post, I will see this. Okay, so it's working. So now let's replace the images, and that's actually easy peasy. So what we will do here is I will do a JSON files is equal to JSON decode row files like that. And then I will loop through these files and put them in here. So I just need to loop through this part alone. So I will put my PHP tags there and say PHP. And for each, no, I don't want the whole thing like that. So I will undo. For each files as a file. Like that, and then I'll put a full colon for better templating like that, and then copy this to the end, move these guys in there. I actually only need one now like that, and then I will say end for each with a semicolon like that. Okay, so right here I just need to put file where it's supposed to be, like there. So I will still need my PHP tags here, like so. Yeah, very complex stuff. And that's it. So we are good now. We can just go. Very nice. Yeah. Very good. We'll go back to the home page. Let's go to this one, and here we go. Very, very nice, isn't it? Okay, so this is how you create a file uploading system with a image slider or carousel. Oh, I don't know what it's really called, but that's how you do it. And when you want to upload one more, you can just click there, testing a new post like this, and let's hit browse. It's the same files, so nothing new. Nothing new. Here we go, and upload. Bam, there we go. So we have more of this. There we go. Okay, so I hope you learned a thing or two in this tutorial, and I will see you in another one.